Hi guys, today I'm going to be decorating my downstairs living room. I'm going to be adding some more traditional colors. I'm going to be adding in red down here, whites, silvers. I'm going to be using some really big silver bells and some big glass ornaments. If you're new here, my name is Trisha. On this channel I do a lot of decorate with me, shop with me. We also have a little homestead that we had a little cabin built on that's super cute. We also do a lot of work up there. I also do a lot of gardening. I'm so happy to have all of you here supporting my channel. I have some great news. Just reached 1,000 subscribers and some. So it just keeps climbing up and I just appreciate everyone's support. And I'm so grateful for everybody watching my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my decorate with me videos because I sure do enjoy decorating. Let's go ahead and get into the decorating. So this tree is pretty old. It's probably about 9 years old, I bet. So our lights have gone out. Some of them work, some of them don't. So I've just strung some lights on it and it looks great. I mean, you can see the white wires a little bit. I probably should have used green, but that's okay because all of these ornaments are going to cover that up and it will be just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the big ornaments. I have 4 of these clear glass bulbs that I will just stagger through the tree. Just kidding, 5. I've got 4 of these beauties. Next I've got 2 huge silver bells. I have this tree topper already wired together. I just left it that way. I have for the last few years. So I'm just going to stick that up there, but I'm going to add some more picks around the top of the tree. I'm going to put a big bow right here so this will all be covered. I've got 4 of these red picks. I got these from Coming Home. I just thought they'd be really pretty under some other greenery hanging over the top of them. So on top of the red, I'm going to place this pick here. So I've got this one wired to this on top. So I just added these little berries here and this little branch here that has snow looking stuff on it. So that's all pre-wired together. I'm just going to slide that right on top of those berries. Found another bell on the bottom of the bucket. Next I'm going to go in with some ribbon. This is ribbon that I already had previously on this tree last year. I just wrap it up nice and neat so that I can use it the following year and it doesn't get all bent up. So I'm going to start with just one single loop with the gray. Same thing here with this rustic birch, I guess is what you'd call it, birch ribbon. Put that in the front. If I wanted to, I could wire it. I'm not going to. Turn this one to the front so that you can see the printed side. And then I'll just go ahead and put it right in the tree. And I'm going to be working at this spot a little bit so that I can cover all this area here. So what I'm going to do is get this bow ready, weave it through the tree, and then I'll cut it off and then add some more ribbon here. I'm going to add some red ribbon up to this bow up here to make it pop. And to cover up the rest of these branches. Going to add in a tiny little red bow to go in over here. I just love the way it's turning out so far. Just found this in the box, so I'm just going to stick that over here on the back side. Got 4 of these birch ornaments. Got 2 of these beaded garlands that connect. It's just a natural wood finish. these cute little red ornaments I'm gonna add in, and then we'll be done. You guys enjoyed my decorate with me video. I think the pops of red and all the beautiful colors just feel super warm and cozy. Our family likes to come down here and watch movies, so I just feel like the fireplace and then the lighting and all of the beautiful colors just feel so warm and inviting. We'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye guys.